Hi, thanks for watching the video. This video is about DecorA pot idea. We will share with you design ideas along with the usual info about native gardening. In the realm of gardening, there is a delicate balance between meticulous planning and embracing the unexpected. Sometimes even the most carefully arranged elements can be disrupted by unforeseen events. One such incident is the spilled cloth pot, an event that may initially appear as a mishap but holds the potential to bring forth unexpected beauty. This video explores the spilled cloth pot as an opportunity for creativity, adaptation, and resilience. At first glance, a spilled cloth pot may seem like a disaster, with fragile blooms and fertile soil scattered across the ground. However, upon closer observation, one can recognize the spill as an invitation to change perspectives instead of pursuing it as a failure. It can be viewed as an independent moment that leads to new possibility and artistic passions. The spilled cloth pot challenges the conventional perception of beauty by highlighting the beauty of imperfection. The scattered flowers and displaced soil create a visually captivating scene that transcends the boundaries of traditional garden aesthetics. It serves as a reminder that nature often tries our control and organize it, showcasing its raw and unbridled essence. The spilled flower pot can be seen as an opportunity to manipulate the natural processes of ecosystems as the flowers and soil cultivate the surrounding environment. They initiate symbiotic relationship with nature. Thus, displaced plants may find species grow while the soil enriches the surrounding ground, fostering the growth of unforeseen flora. This unintended act of dispersion can contribute to the creation of diverse and thriving ecological communities. Gardeners and artists alike can find inspiration in the spilled flower pot. The absurd arrangement of flowers and soil can serve as a catalyst for creative endeavors. Artists may capture the essence of the scene, pictures or photography, transforming the accident into an intentional masterpiece. The juxtaposition of order and chaos in the spilled flower pot becomes a source of inspiration, pushing the boundaries of conventional artistry. The spilled flower pot teaches valuable lessons about adaptation and resilience. The displaced flowers must adapt to their new environment, stretching their roots and reaching for sunlight. Their ability to thrive under unexpected circumstances is a testament to nature's resilience and ability to overcome adversity. This serves as a valuable metaphor for human life, encouraging kids to embrace change, adopt to new situations, and find strength amidst unexpected challenges. In the world of gardening, a spilled flower pot presents a fortuitous accident that unveils a union of beauty and inspiration. By shifting our perspective, embracing imperfection, and recognizing the potential for creativity and adoption. So, at the end of this video, we would like to request you please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video. Thanks for watching.